Hi, my name is Alicia Currin-Moore, and I'm one of the members of the Fuel Up Committee. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about teacher experiences. So first, what is a teacher experience? Well, what we have found is that students really love to get to know their teacher outside of the classroom. In the past, teacher experiences have generated over $2,000 at Fuel Up, and all of it goes right back to John Rex. A teacher experience can be anything that you love to do in which a student can participate. So here are a few examples. A trolley ride and ice cream at Capitals, reading a bedtime story, either in person or via Zoom, a Dodgers baseball game, a walk to Sonic for happy hour, picnic at Scissortail Park, or even a special lunch. One of the things we want to make sure is that we are very budget friendly and COVID safe as possible. So here are a few more examples. Metro Family Magazine has a specific portion of their website dedicated to free family fun activities. And this is chock full of free and very low cost activities around the Oklahoma City metro area. Netflix Watch Party. So Netflix and other online providers have the ability for people to watch a movie together while they're at their own separate homes. So you can be able to log in, select a movie, invite the student, and you all can enjoy the movie together but at your own home. Summer movie fun. So Harkins Theater in the summertime will have $5 movie tickets to play previously viewed movies, Up, Madagascar, Frozen, and you can, for $5 to $7, be able to watch a movie and have popcorn and a drink. Teaming up. So one of the biggest draws is when teachers in the same grade level team up to create an experience in which the students can be able to hang out with all the teachers in their grade level. So coming up with an idea that the teachers in your grade level enjoy and being able to express that to the students is a great way to be able to participate in our teacher experience. So we hope that this has generated some ideas and thoughts. We'll be sending out a form soon so that you can be able to list your activity. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me or Tatiana. Thank you.